What are we doing?
We're playing skate. A game of skate, right, is when two people on a skateboard who are good at skating do tricks.
Right.
So the first person does a trick, the second person has to do that trick until the one who's setting it fails at what he's trying to set. And then it swaps.
Did you say what he's trying to set?
They.
That is awful.
Only boys skate.
2024.
So if you fail at the trick, then you get a letter. And the first person to reach skate loses. The aim of the game is not to collect letters.
Right.
It's to not collect letters.
Yeah.
But we need a different word for it.
Rudiment.
That's way too
How
long.
about scale? Or
Works.
trick? Port? Note? Interstitial? Shoulder? Ding!
Ding! Let's play ding.
Okay.
So in a game of ding, whoever starts sets a trick or a thing and then you have to copy.
But I think you should start because I don't understand this challenge.
Now your turn. Probably did that better than me. Oh, that's long.
Oh no!
Were you just playing these two notes? I think I should get a letter for that.
You
shouldn't
get a D.
I started easy and you went straight in the deep end. My turn.
Oh god, I'm scared now.
Rosie gets a D.
To make it fair, you should have to do it successfully again.
What?
I thought you should get a letter for that.
What? No, I just did a little pause.
What? but no.
No, you missed a bit out.
I'll do it again.
Yeah. Should I give you that?
Yeah, I think I should get that.
Okay, fine.
Because I perfectly put the
Yeah, that was very good.
when I
Bonus
copied
points,
it.
bonus points.
Yeah.
Oh, which note was it? No, you didn't play dun.
Oh yeah, okay, right, yeah, you get it. Yeah, you were right.
I wasn't expecting you to get that.
Me too! It's the panic, it's the pressure, it makes it hard.
Could you just explain to me? Could you just
You have to
clarify?
do it. You have to do it as lumpy as I did.
Can you just clarify
Okay,
what?
ready.
Pointer ring, pointer ring.
Yeah, I like the way you got the way that I just rushed the last set. That was really good attention to detail.
In that vein.
Have I got to do the same thing as you?
Yeah. did pay attention to the last bit.
Oh my god, it's all on this. The pressure. Dia. When Dingo was her name.
Okay, whoever loses the next one loses. I don't like games where you have losers instead of winners.
What, 2 seconds ago you were all, oh, hope you don't lose. Now it might be you. Suddenly we're all happy, sherry.
No! Okay, fine.
No! That was harsh though.
That was harsh, but...
You can give me one more, and if I fail this, we can lose together. How's that?
Okay.
That's nice, isn't it?
Should I try and do what I was trying to do?
Yeah. Tragic.
You did an extra one. No, you put in an extra one in. No. Yeah. Nailed it. We can lose together. We should do a tie break.
Oh. We win together!
Yay! I feel like we need a rematch on your channel.
Okay, it's on.
Okay.
Great.
Great.
That was fun.
Bye.